Alright, well, hello YouTube fans, how are you today? Well, thank you for tuning in today's vlog. If you're wondering what I'm doing today, I'm going to show you how to strip Coax cable, TV cable like this, and put different types of screw-on ends on, like BCN screw-on connectors like these, and of course, some F connectors like these here. Of course, we're going to need a tool, a stripping gauge tool, a pair of pliers, wire cutters, and also a wrench and your cable itself. Now, let's get a little close-up look of how this actually is done. You take your wire, take whatever end you want to put on, and use whatever you want to use. Okay. Now make sure your wire is nice and flat. This one is not. We'll decide to snip it a little bit. And this is just my practice wire here. I like this to practice a bit with it. Take the cable, put it into the waist like this. Push down, and start twisting. This way. Pull off the ends you don't need. Bada boom, bada bing. Now, once we twisted it off like that, we have an end like this. Okay. Now, of course, you're going to have to repeat the exact same thing on this side as well. But I'm just going to show you what the end looks like. Well, I'm going to take the cable, or your shield, and bend it down over the cable so it's not touching your center conductor. And you can use whatever you want to use on it. I'm going to show you. This might work for this one. Maybe. It's a little bit more different, because these are twist ones and not compression fitting ones. And just screw it on to place. Just like that. Well, I finally got this BCN twist-on connector on this cable. It was a real pain in the butt to get on, but you can see, there she is. She is now on this side, and now we just got to do the outside with one of the F connectors, and these things are very, very difficult to get on this type of cable. And I just don't understand how these are made and what's the better connector and connection fittings for these type of cables. And again, we'll just do the exact same. And just give it a twist. And that's about it for that side. And we'll just pull this off. Pull that off. And what you're left with is a very nice, clean copper center conductor. And of course, your ground as well. And I honestly think if I had some of the compression fitting ones, that would be a lot better. Because you're not fighting the insulation, or you're not fighting the, the braid and stuff trying to get those connectors to seat properly. And again, we just want to make sure we get all this stuff down. And also, the one thing you don't want to do is waste your cable itself, and that is one thing I don't like doing. Because this is just an old cable I had laying around, and that's all I'm doing is just showing you and how easy this can be. Now I put the F connector on, and all you have to do is just really push hard to get this thing to actually screw on properly. But it's a real pain in the butt because you're fighting the insulation and you're fighting the actual cable itself to get this on here. And I'll be right back. Let me get this on here and fight with it. Alright, well, we are finally done with getting these screw-on connectors on this TV Coax cable. And I got news for you. This wasn't very easy. This is very a pain in the butt. Definitely with these twist-on cables and these twist-on connectors. And you have to use a pair of pliers to hold the cables and twist this on. It's like, oh, these Nikes, but this is how it looks like once it's completely done. And I think it looks pretty nice. The only thing now is to test it to see if it actually works on my radio. But I would definitely go with the compression fitting ones or the crimp-on ones. I think that would do a lot better instead of these twist ones. But these twist ones are reusable, and I like that. But definitely for this style of cable, it's not that hard to do. But there you go, and I have two cables. It have a F connector and a BCN connector on the end of it. Alright, if you're supporting the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. Bye guys and girls. We'll hopefully see you in the next vlog. Thank you for watching and thank you for tuning in. Have a very nice day. Peace out, and this is how you can do stuff with your coax cables.